All right. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining us today. I want to go ahead and do this video today. It's going to be a short clip, and we're going to go ahead and go over the product quality of Printful. And today, this is a hat. We're going to see how the embroidery comes out. I've had a lot of questions in regards to the quality and the digitizing itself. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, so this is the packaging that Printful provides. It's a hat in here, so it's very thoughtful of them to put it in a box so our hat doesn't get damaged. Okay. Again, I don't know how to open these boxes, but I'm doing this for quality purposes. All right. So in here is my hat. As you can see, it's nicely tucked in there. My visor is taken care of. It's bagged up as well, so there's no stains in case, it's a bumpy ride from here to wherever you're shipping to. So it's in a plastic bag. It's wrapped up and it's protected. All right. So again, it comes out of the box, and it's a good thing that it's in a box so it doesn't mess up the visor. I've had a couple of reviews speak on getting their hat products in a bag with their visors messed up, or just not, the quality is not there. All right. So again, here's the hat. This is again coming from Printful. Okay, and this is flat embroidery. This is not the puff 3D embroidery. Again, this is the flat embroidery. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up the hat so you guys can check it out in full spectrum. Again, we have the Hustle Hub logo on the side. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just turn the hat around so you guys can zoom into the quality of the hat. This is an embroidery auto cap. I stick to auto caps. I don't really like the snapbacks that are on there. I stick to auto caps only. All right. Again, this is Hustle Hub Club. Make sure to follow us at hustlehub.club. And I'll say one thing. I'm excited to try out my new hat. Have